Okay, I'm back with you for another update on the MR2 Audi supercharged stretched electric AC. Okay, this is what I've got so far. I've got everything installed. This is just before I run a vacuum on it, make sure I don't have any leaks. I haven't put the radiator in. I ordered a NSX radiator that's larger than the MR2, and it has a top and a bottom. It's a little different than the MR2. The MR2 had side by side, and I think this is cool, a little bit different. Anyway, this is the AC, 12 volt. This is the high side, and it goes to the condenser up front. On the other side, which you can't see, goes to a dryer that's up under the headlight. It goes along this way, up underneath, comes back up, and follows behind the battery. There's a sight glass, and hooks up to the evaporator core. And this is the low side, and it hooks up to the evaporator core. So eliminating a whole bunch of tubing, and it's going to be better if this works out. This is the inverter that powers the scroll compressor. It's wired to a battery, 12 volt. The green wire is the AC trigger switch that works off of the control climate head unit. Anyway, you'll notice I've got another battery. This is out of it's a ATV battery. It's brand new, so it's going to be like this one. It's brand new as well. Look, I put a battery cutoff. All right, now I got battery voltage everywhere. I got a flashing green light. Still don't know what that means yet, but I haven't gotten to where the operation to the AC is. Okay, now here is for electric vehicles. Okay, this is the oil that they want to use. You can't use regular PAG oil or ester oil. This stuff here is what they're recommending. And anyway, I put about this much, half of it in the condenser and half of it in the evaporator, and there was already some in the compressor itself. I'm about ready to put a leak down on it and make sure I don't have any leaks. Okay, bought one of these as well, guys. This works out very well. You can crimp hoses and anything that's high pressure with it on the car. You know, you got a lock valve on it, and you just squeeze the handle, and hey, it does very well. It's got different dyes and works great. Here are the fans that came with the radiator. I'm going to make a shroud for it, aluminum shroud, add in the cooling of it. But anyway, this is what I've got so far. The next update, we'll find out if we got leaks. Maybe we'll be riding in some cool weather inside. But anyway, everything mounted pretty well, solid. I added brackets, and it's all bolted in. The compressor bolts in from the bottom. I don't know if you can see it, but I put a bracket there, and it bolts in with some metric bolts underneath. But it's all nice and neat in there, and everything's run nice and neat. So all I got to do really is add the radiator, the fans, and of course this is the butchered shop wiring for the old fans that are sitting over there in the floor. And I put the MR2 radiator in here, which I put for sale on Marketplace. It's aluminum as well. So anyway, guys, hang tight and I'll get with the update on the AC on this. And I wish I could edit films, I really do. It'd take too much time. But anyway, this is all I have now, and see you guys on the next trip. Bye.